Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Amazon lists is probably one of the most underutilized yet incredibly powerful tools available to Prime members, offering a seamless way to organize, share, and discover products directly within your Amazon account, transforming your shopping experience from a simple transaction into a curated journey of discovery and personalized recommendations that can save you time and money. Number 5. Duracell Coppertop AA Batteries 24 Count. Introducing Duracell Coppertop AA Batteries. Experience the power boost for all your essential devices. These long-lasting alkaline batteries are designed to keep your household and office devices running smoothly. With power boost ingredients, you can trust them for consistent and dependable energy. This 24-count pack ensures you have plenty of power on hand when you need it most. Choose Duracell Coppertop for all your everyday power needs. They are the perfect fit for your electronics. What we like. These batteries offer extended power for all your devices. If you need reliable energy for household gadgets or office equipment, these are a great choice. They ensure your electronics stay powered for longer periods. What people say. Power Boost technology provides up to 50% more power, making these batteries last longer in high-drain devices. Guaranteed to last up to 10 years in storage, ensuring freshness when needed. Designed to prevent leaks and protect your devices, even during long-term use. Number 4. Osmo Genius Starter Kit for iPad. Experience the magic of Osmo, where learning games come alive. Your child can interact with physical pieces and an iPad, bringing their game actions to life without needing Wi-Fi. This kit includes 5 exciting games that teach a variety of skills. From solving puzzles and mastering math to improving spelling and drawing, there's something for every curious mind. Watch as they arrange puzzle pieces to match on-screen shapes, solve physics challenges with drawings, learn to draw anything, conquer math equations, and expand their vocabulary. It helps develop crucial skills like visual problem solving, math, drawing, listening, and reading. They'll learn through experimentation in a fun, stress-free environment with real-time feedback. Perfect for children aged 6 to 10 and beyond, these games adapt to their skill level, ensuring continuous learning and engagement. It's a gift that grows with them. Inside the box, you'll find the Osmo base and reflector for iPad, along with all the pieces and tiles for Tangram, Numbers, Words, Newton, and Masterpiece games. Storage is included too. What we like. This kit brings educational games to life through interactive play. If you are looking for a fun way to engage children aged 6 to 10 with subjects like math and spelling, this is ideal. It combines physical pieces with digital learning for a unique experience. What people say. Numbers, such a great game for math skills. There's a whole lot of basic math work, adding, subtracting, and when it got to multiplying and the numbers got a little higher, we had to stop. Words. You have to fill out the blanks as there are missing letters in a word. It's a fun game for a 6-year-old who loves spelling out words. Tangram, this one is a winner. My kid had so much fun playing this game, it's almost her favorite. It comes with the tandem pieces in different shapes and colors and you have to put them together to create a figure. The app will help and guide you all the way, which is so fun and helpful. Number 3. Paper Junkie Multicolor Ledger Book, 2-pack. Introducing the Paper Junkie Ledger Book, your perfect companion for managing money. This pack includes 2 vibrant books to help you stay on top of your finances. Whether it's for your small business or personal budgeting, these books are designed to make tracking income and expenses simple and straightforward. Each book features 100 pages, providing ample space for detailed bookkeeping. You can easily log every transaction and maintain a clear financial overview. Measuring 8.5 by 6.25 inches, they are perfectly sized to fit on your desk or in a bag. Take your financial records wherever you go. Use them as your go-to check register, budget book, or cash book. They are versatile tools for all your financial record-keeping needs. Add a splash of color to your financial planning with these attractive multicolor ledger books. Organization has never looked so good. What we like. Keep your finances organized with this simple record book. If you need a straightforward way to log income, expenses, and manage personal or small business budgets, this is perfect. It provides a clear overview of your financial activity. What people say. Each page is well organized, making it super easy to track expenses, deposits, and balances. Paper is thick and great quality. Highlighter does not bleed through pages, which is a huge plus for me as I have pink, green, blue, and yellow highlights all inside to keep my bills, payments, and income organized. What really comes in handy is keeping track of yearly renewals. Sometimes they push for payment too early. I can easily flip to that page and see when annual items are due. Number 2. Amazon e-gift card. Give the gift of choice with an Amazon e-gift card. It's the perfect present for any occasion, offering endless possibilities. Our gift cards never expire and come with absolutely no fees. You can be sure the full amount will always be there for them to use. With a variety of designs and denominations, you can personalize your gift to perfectly suit their taste. Make it uniquely theirs. They can use it towards millions of items store-wide at Amazon.com. It's the freedom to pick exactly what they want. Need it now? It's available for immediate digital delivery. Or, schedule it to arrive up to a year in advance, perfect for planning ahead. Please note that these gift cards are non-refundable and can only be used for eligible purchases on Amazon.com and related sites. What we like? Give the gift of choice with a digital gift card. If you need a last-minute present or want to let someone pick their own item, this is a convenient option. It's perfect for any occasion and can be sent immediately. What people say. They're easy to send digitally, arrive instantly, and the recipient can choose exactly what they want. The Amazon e-gift card is one of those products that just works exactly the way you need it to. I purchased the digital version and the delivery was almost instant, the email arrived within minutes, and the design options were clean and modern. The recipient is usually thrilled to be able to select exactly what they want for the happy occasion, rather than relying on the gift giver to select something for them that they may not have preferred. Number 1. Playskool Sit and Spin Classic Spinning Activity Toy. Remember the joy of spinning and giggling? Now your little one can experience the same winning fun with this classic activity toy. The fun goes round and round with this twirling toy. Simply push or pull the wheel to control the spinning speed, letting kids lead the way. This super fun activity toy encourages whirling and twirling. It's a fantastic way for them to practice balance, coordination, and motor skills. A beloved preschool activity for generations, this toy provides a wild ride. It's a great way to get their giggles and wiggles out indoors. It arrives in simple, easy-to-open packaging, so your little one can start playing right away. Get ready for immediate fun. What we like? This classic toy provides endless spinning fun for toddlers. If you have a child over 18 months who loves to move and giggle, this is a fantastic choice. It helps develop motor skills and balance while they spin. What people say. It is made with good quality. It is sturdy. Vibrant colors. This toy has held up to all the rough handling and play. The Peppa Pig song is still loud and clear, going strong as well. It has not needed any new batteries so far. Kids love this toy. They can sit on it and spin for hours, and it's quickly become one of their favorite activities. It works exactly as intended, and it keeps them entertained without issue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.